Hi sweet people, this is a tiny tutorial on how I personally go about blanket stitching my felt work. Here I'm using a contrasting thread so it's easy to see, but ordinarily I would make my stitches blend in as much as possible. When stitching two felt pieces together, start by stitching through one of the pieces, leaving the knot sandwiched in between. Tuck it in so it's not visible. Now stitch through two pieces. Do not tighten, leaving a loop. Now pull your needle through the loop once and then twice, and only then tighten it really well, leaving a knot on top. This way your stitch will look straight and not slanted. Continue on. And this is how I generally go about making my blanket stitch. When I reach a corner in my work, I'll just make a diagonal stitch into it and then continue on as before. I do love those slightly rounded corners. If you run out of working thread and need to rejoin a new one, make a knot just above your last stitch. Just like that. Then pull your thread through between the pieces. And then just cut it off. To rejoin, use a new thread with a knot on the end. Just pull the thread through the last stitch. Then continue on with the blanket stitch. To finish off, I usually add an extra stitch in the same space and then a little knot. This tightens the last stitch well, making sure it doesn't get undone easily. Stitch in between, and then cut off the thread. If you've been working the blanket stitch around the perimeter, to finish off, pull your thread under the first stitch and then make a knot. Tighten it well and then hide the end of the thread. Cut it off and it's ready. Thanks for following along. Drop a like and let me know in the comments how you do your blanket stitch. I'd love to hear.